In this lecture we will look into those reactions of aromatic carboxylic acid where your benzene ring is involved, right? So mainly the reactions will take place at benzene ring, right? So let's look at, first let's look at this is your benzoic acid, right? So reaction where your benzene ring is involved, right? Substitution will take place at benzene ring. Let's see what kind of substitution will take place. This carboxylic group or carboxyl group. Carboxyl group is an electron withdrawing group, right? So it will withdraw electrons from the benzene ring, making it electron deficient. And we know that electron withdrawing group are meta-directing. When we say meta-directing, it means substitution will take place at your meta position, right? So your carboxyl group is electron withdrawing group and will direct the incoming electrophile at meta position, right? And we know that in case of meta-directing groups, high electron density will only be at meta position, right? So substitution of electrophiles will take place at meta position only, right? So your COOH group is, first thing is, it is electron withdrawing, this is your electron withdrawing group, right? So when it is electron withdrawing, when it will withdraw electrons, it will make the ring deactivate. It will deactivate the ring basically, right? Since this is electron withdrawing, so it will also deactivate the ring, right? And it also will withdraw electron towards itself, thereby making this ring electron deficient. Right? So, and the other thing is, important thing is, this is your meta-directing. Right? This is your meta-directing. Meta-directing means when electrophile will come, right? Since you have negative electron density, that is, you have high electron density only at meta position, because this is your meta-directing group. It will withdraw electron from ortho and para position, right? So it will make the ring less negative, or it will deactivate the ring, right? So when it will deactivate the ring, you have only these two meta positions that are electron rich, right? So your electrophiles will attack at meta position. Electrophiles will attack at meta position. Right? And so it undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Right? At meta position. Right? And since I said it deactivates the ring when the ring is less active, right? It has deactivated the ring, making it less active. When it is less active, then for the reactions you need drastic conditions. So electrophilic substitution reaction at meta position under drastic conditions. And remember, why drastic conditions? Because it has deactivated the ring. Carboxyl group has deactivated the ring, right? So let's look at some of the reactions. Let's first look at bromination. Bromination. When bromination will take place, this bromonium ion, you have bromonium ion in that case, since this is electrophile, right? This is electron loving, right? So it will attack this benzene ring at positions of high electron density, which is in this case only meta positions, right? So you will get this meta-bromobenzoic acid, right? This is the product that you will get. This is meta-bromobenzoic acid, right? Let's look at the other reaction. Let's look at nitration, right? In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and nitric acid, or in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid, right? In this case, the electrophile would be nitronium, right? So this nitronium will attack benzene ring at positions of high electron density, which is meta position in this case, right? So product that will obtain is meta-nitrobenzoic acid, right? Similarly, you have sulfonation reaction. This is your nitration reaction, right? This is your halogenation reaction, right? And this is your, with concentrated sulfuric acid, this is your sulfonation reaction, right? Where product that will get formed, in that case, in case of sulfonation, where you treat benzoic acid with fuming sulfuric acid, the electrophile would be SO3H, right? And it will attack at meta position again. So what it will form is meta sulfonic acid, right? Sulfonic acid will go at meta position, right? The name is meta sulfobenzoic acid. This is your meta sulfobenzoic acid, right? So we have, these are the properties of benzene ring in benzoic acid, right? And this is due to electron withdrawing nature of carboxyl group. Due to electron withdrawing nature, it has deactivated the ring, so you need drastic conditions to carry out all these reactions, right? And it has, since it withdraws electron density towards itself, your carboxyl group will withdraw electron density towards itself, so it will make ortho and para positions electron poor, right? And only on meta positions are electron rich. So it will undergo electrophilic substitution reactions only at meta positions, right? That is positions of high electron density. These are electrophiles: bromonium ion, nitronium ion, and sulfonium ion, right? So using these halogenation, nitration, and sulfonation, you will obtain these meta isomers of benzoic acid, right? And there is one more important thing. This metasulfonic acid, this benzoic acid will not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Why? Because the ring has deactivated to such an extent that introduction of methyl group or acyl group, right? Because Friedel-Crafts reaction, what it does is you introduce CH3 group or COCH3 group to this benzoic, benzene ring, right? Now what happens is these groups would not be able to react at benzene ring because your benzene ring is highly deactivated because it has an electron withdrawing group. Now due to this deactivation, Friedel-Crafts reaction will not take place, right? I hope this is clear. Thanks.